Hi everybody, in today's video we would like to show how you can easily apply the negative effect on any picture or photo you have on an iPhone. So the quickest and easiest way to do that is to use the free third-party App Store application that is called Negative Photo. So let's go ahead and open it. In here we'll go ahead and start, skip the ad. This button allows you to choose any existing photo or picture you have in your gallery. So let's do just that. So let's say I want to apply a negative filter on this particular picture, and as you can see, it is being applied successfully. Next, if you want to save the picture, just tap on this icon at the top right corner of your display. So let me get back real quick. Skip the ad. Press on the save button once again. Now just choose the save image option. And once we go into the photos or into the gallery app, so let me find it real quick. We'll see that the negative version of the photo has been successfully added to the recent album, just like so. This app also allows you to take a photo, which will be put into a negative state right away, as you can see. So let me take some picture, just like so. And as you can see at the bottom left corner, this bottom left corner frame will contain all the pictures that you've made. So I'll go ahead and save this one, for example, by doing the same actions we've performed with the picture we had. And once we get back to the gallery, we'll see that this negative photo that we've just made has been also added to it. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.